Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm introducing you to one of the club partners, and that is LPagery. This is a bulk page creator for WordPress, and I think you'll find it to be a really exciting solution, especially for MyListing websites. At a high level, in this video, we're going to cover the following where it's applicable: partnership origin, how the partnership came about, and how I see the partnership benefiting MyListing website owners specifically. Vendor overview, reputation, support, and communication, if I have any experience with that so far. Solution overview, evolution, functionality, and cost. Club resources, if I've done any guides, videos, etc. And lastly, the partnership deal. How do the club members benefit from this partnership? Before we begin, let me quickly run through my list of disclaimers. I don't form partnerships for the sole purpose of generating revenue. I often forego any affiliate commission if it benefits you, the club member, at all. I will often just say I don't need an affiliate commission if it means that club members can get a bigger discount. I don't get paid to do these videos. People have come to trust if I endorse a solution, I believe in it, and often use it within my own tech stack. I don't just partner with anyone. Partnerships are about quality over quantity. This means long-term relationships with partners that avoid shady practices and partners who invest in helping others. Ultimately, my goal is to be a good human that positively impacts the lives of club members, community members, clients, and the partners themselves, right? Bringing everybody together is my ultimate goal in all of this, above anything else. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm on the LPagery homepage right now. As it says, bulk create pages with WordPress. And let's go ahead and scroll down. Got some testimonials here. I want to run through these features. So the first one here has to do with SEO, the benefits of bulk creating pages. So whether it's region pages or services pages, if you really want to get a lot of SEO juice, you want to create those unique landing pages for, like I said, the services, the regions, and things like that. And a lot of times people will put off creating those pages because of how time consuming it can be. And so this take that pain away. Dynamic page updates. With a paid plan of LPagery, you can keep your data in sync. So using your whatever spreadsheet technology you want to use, if you make changes to that, it can also sync to your pages that you've created with LPagery. Full compatibility with leading themes and page builders. It works perfectly with Elementor, which I'm going to show in another video. LPagery also has a couple videos on their YouTube channel where they show it being used with Elementor. Obviously, MyListing website owners out there, we know that we use Elementor, so that's important. Geo-targeted landing pages with the radius function. This is a really cool paid feature where, let's say you wanted to mass create pages of neighborhoods within a 10-mile radius of a particular city. It can just determine, what are those neighborhoods that are 10 miles within that city. And let's just say go out and mass create those pages. It can do that. Versatile data import options. You can use CSV, Google Sheets, and Excel for importing the data. Real-time Google Sheet synchronization. So let's say you use Google Sheets as your origin for all of this information you're going to use to mass create these pages. Let's say you've created all those pages and then later on you go back and you want to make a change to those pages. Just update your Google Sheets and it will sync across. Efficient page management with categories and parent assignments. This is another paid feature. So what this is like, let's say you've used LPagery to mass create your parent region pages. So whatever those may be. Let's say later you want to go in and you want to mass create child region pages. So maybe it's neighborhoods within a city. So the city would be the parent regions and then the neighborhoods would be the child regions. When you go to create those child region pages, what LPagery allows you to do is specify that parent region page as the parent. So then all of those child pages will go up underneath there, building that structure. Customizable URL slugs for optimized SEO. So you customize your slugs there before your data is input and synced across. Flexible page status options. The free version, once you mass create it, it's just going to publish them. what this paid feature here does is it allows you to set the status. So if you don't want it to be published right away, you can set them all to draft, private, etc. Often offering that full flexibility. Scrolling down here, what do we got here? Some notes about who they work with, how does it work, etc., etc. Some FAQs. They've got a YouTube channel. If you go over to there, it looks like they may have a Facebook page. I'm not sure. I'm not on Facebook anymore these days, but you can check that out if you are on Facebook still. It looks like they have about 18 videos here. There's one with Elementor. There's two. So there's at least two with Elementor alone. There's some others. So check that out. Let's check out their documentation. So they've got some nice tutorials there, some troubleshooting steps, some basics. Let's look at the pricing. Club members get 20% off. Another thing to keep in mind is they have a money-back guarantee. They get 7 days. They have a free 7-day trial. They do have a very generous free version. So the free version is the standard version, except for instead of 5 placeholders, you get 3. Okay. And the radius feature. So the free plan is no radius feature and 3 placeholder. What's a placeholder? Their parent region page is a placeholder. A service page is a placeholder. It's, in short, a placeholder is that one page that you use as a template to mass create all of the other pages. So super generous free tier, especially because it allows you to create unlimited pages. So a lot of people aren't going to need the radius feature, at least not right away, and a lot of people aren't going to need more than that, those free 3 placeholders right off the bat. So really amazing value in the free plan, and then you can check out these plans here yourself. But yeah, see what you want. Again, club members 20% off of all this, and you don't have to keep this stuff. Keep these subscriptions going. If it's mainly for sync. Right? So that's the ongoing cost, is the sync. So as you see here, it's kind of, these are all just like one-time things. And then when you go into these extended and ultimate plans, that's when you start talking about like Google Sheets sync and things like that. And that's where you'd want to keep your subscription going, most likely. But you could very easily, within a month, get in here and do your pages, get them created, and, decide if you want to stay with it or not. And if you do want to stay with it, again, 20% off. Okay, let's see. Let me make sure I've covered everything here. Vendor reputation. Honestly, I'm not sure on that one. Can't really say much on that one. Support and communication. I can't say much to the support either because I have not faced an issue yet. I just started working with this plugin this week because I wanted to see what it was capable of as I'm working, on the new upcoming starter site. And working on some documentation on saying, hey, if you buy the starter site, and then, hey, if you're looking for a solution to mass create the pages after you buy the starter site, that's the kind of thing that I was testing out to see if this was a viable solution. I was testing that out this week, and it absolutely is. I'm going to do another video that walks you through the process. It's really, really slick stuff. Communication, anytime I've had a question for this partner, they get back to me. I mean, it's within minutes. Their communication is amazing. Solution overview, the evolution. I, again, just started looking at the solution hardcore this week, so I don't know how it's evolved over time. Functionality, I mean, it's amazing. That's about all I can say on that. Cost, we've gone over. Partnership deal, I've covered that. Club resources, there are none yet. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to do a video for that, and then that'll be available here soon. And what else? I think that's about it. Thanks for your time. If there's another company that you want me to partner with out there, please let me know, and I'll do my best to see if I can bring them on board. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.